Good morning, children. 10th class student. Since we have completed our economic portion, okay, we have also completed history. We have also completed political science. What is left is geography. So your two chapters of geography, Santosh sir will be taking. But before that, I'm going to make you all write. I'm going to give you all the map list so that in your holidays you all can prepare your map. Right over there, list of map items, list of map items 20-21. First, history, in bracket write political map of India. Political map of India, chapter 3, nationalism in India, put a dash, locating, labeling, oblique, identification. Locating, labeling, oblique, identification. That is, it can be asked in any form, either to be located or to be labeled or to be identified. So the first point right over there, Indian National Congress session. Indian National Congress session, you can also write INC. A, Calcutta, in bracket write September 1920. September 1920. B. Nagpur, in bracket December 1920. C. Madras, in bracket 1927. You should be knowing that where in September 1922 sessions were held, one in September, one in December, one at Calcutta and the other at Nagpur. So you should know that this session is asked. You'll be getting the month with this. This you're going to do on one map. Please note it down as I'm telling you all. One map, that is political map of India. The second heading is centers of Indian national movement. Centers of Indian national movement. First, that is A point, Champaran, Bihar. In bracket Bihar, put a dash, movement of indigo planters. Champaran, in bracket Bihar, movement of indigo planters. Full stop. B point, Kheda, 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 Gujarat. Put a dash, peasant satyagraha. C. Ahmedabad, Gujarat, in bracket Gujarat, put a dash, cotton mill workers satyagraha. Cotton mill workers satyagraha. Next, Amritsar, Punjab. Fourth one, that is D, Amritsar, in bracket Punjab, put a dash, Jallianwala Bagh incident. Jallianwala Bagh incident. Next, Chora Chori, Chori Chora, Chori Chora, in bracket write UP, put a dash, calling of non-cooperation movement of double F, O double F, calling of non-cooperation movement. Next, Dandi, in bracket Gujarat, put a dash, civil disobedience movement. Now, please pay attention for this map, children. All these important centers of Indian national movement, you are going to do on one map. Okay, but in your exam, it is not asked like Champaran, Bihar. You will be getting only one clue, that is, say, for example, movement of indigo planters. You should be knowing that it is Champaran, Bihar, which they are asking. They can ask Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. You should be knowing that it is Amritsar, which you have to mark. Okay, similarly, they might be giving you calling of the NCM movement. Calling of the NCM movement means they are asking for Chauri Chaura. So you have to mark Chauri Chaura. And students generally get confused in Bihar and UP, which is very close by. Okay, Champaran is in Bihar, whereas Chauri Chora is in UP. So you have to be careful related to this. All these 5, 6 you have to mark on one map. There are 6 centers. All the 6 you can you can make it on your second political map. So this is your second political map. Let us now come to geography now. Okay, pay attention. Geography, first chapter, resources and development. In bracket write identification only. Resources and development, in bracket write identification only. Major soil types. Major soil types. Now, in this major soil types, you have soils will be given and you have to identify. Say, for example, here it is given, this is the marked like this. So you have to identify that which is the soil, this is the sandy soil. Okay, that's it for first chapter, second chapter, third chapter. Now you write it down. Third chapter now, children, it is not coming in your syllabus, but map work is coming. Okay, map work is there. So write over there water resources. Water resources, locating and labeling. Locating and labeling. Write dams. First, Salal, Salal. Salal, somewhere in Jammu and Kashmir. Next, Bhakra Nangal. Next, Tehri. Tehri Dam. Next, Rana Pratap Sagar. Next, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Next, Hirakud. Hirakud. Next, Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Next, Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra. Now, please pay attention when you are marking these map on your map. How you are going to mark? Say, for example, Sardar Sarovar Dam. So you have to mark River Narmada, and here you have to write what dam? Sardar Sarovar Dam. In this manner, you are supposed to mark in the exams also, as well as in your map work also. All these dams you are going to do on your fourth map. Okay, your third map is soil type and your fourth map is all the dams. So make a small river over there and then you mark the dam. Next is, this is a notification also, only map items in this chapter as listed above will be evaluated in the board examination. For chapter agriculture. Identification only. That is, it will be given to you and you have to identify. Identification only. First, major areas of rice and wheat. Rice and wheat. Second, largest oblique major. Largest oblique major producer states of sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute. Cotton and jute. Now please pay attention, children, how you are supposed to do these maps. For major areas of rice and wheat, rice will be on one single map. So this is your fifth map. Wheat will be on another map, physical map of India. So this will be your sixth map. Regarding the other crops, that is sugarcane and tea, you're going to take two of the crops on one single map. Okay, so you'll be needing 1, 2, and 3. 3 maps for tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and sugar, jute, whatever. Okay, 3 physical map of India. Take only 2 crops on one single map so that it is easy for you all to learn also in your examination. Okay, so this makes your, this is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. This is your ninth map. Okay, next you come to chapter 5, minerals and energy resources. Minerals and energy resources. This chapter is again deleted from your syllabus this year, but the map work is there. Write it down. Power plants. Power plants. Locating and labeling. Locating and labeling. First, thermal. Thermal. Namrup. 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 Second, Singrauli. 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 Next, Ramagundam. Gundam. Next, nuclear power plants. Nuclear, just write nuclear over there. First, Narora. 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 Second, Katrapara. Next, Tarapur. Tarapur. Next, Kalpakkam. Kalpakkam. Kalpakkam, full stop. Okay, next you write manufacturing industries, chapter 6. Chapter 6. Now both this nuclear and thermal power plant you need to do on only one map. Okay, use a separate symbol. Say for example for thermal power plant you can use a star like this, and for this you may use only a triangle. A triangle for nuclear, and for thermal you can use a star like a symbol. Next is manufacturing industries, in bracket write locating and labeling. First, cotton textiles. Cotton textile. First, Mumbai. Next, Indore. Surat. Fourth, Kanpur. And then Coimbatore. Coimbatore. Full stop. Next, right, iron and steel plants. Iron and steel plants, that is iron and steel industry. First, Durgapur. Second, Bokaro. Bokaro. Next, Jamshedpur. Next, Bhilai. Bhilai. Next, Vijayanagar. And the last, Salem. Salem. Next, you can write over there, software technology park. Software technology parks. First, Noida. Second, Hyderabad. Next, Surat. Just a minute, not Surat. Noida, Hyderabad. Next, Gandhinagar. It is not Surat, it is Gandhinagar. Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Tiruvananthapuram. Tiruvananthapuram. I am writing the spelling on the board. Tiruvananthapuram, full stop. Next is last chapter, that is lifelines of national economy, chapter 7. Write over there locating and labeling. First, major ports. Ports. First, Kandla. B, Mumbai. Next, Margao. Margao. It is called as Marmagua also. It is called as Madgaon also. Next, New Mangalore. Next, Kochi. 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 Next, Tuticorin. Tuticorin. Next, Chennai. All these ports, they start from here. Kandla, then Mumbai, then Madgaon, then New Mangalore, then Kochi, then Tuticorin. Then after that, we have got Chennai. After that, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, and last is Calcutta. Right, from one side you start and you end at the other side. Okay, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, P-A-R-A-D-I-P, and Haldia. Haldia and Calcutta is one and the same only. Haldia port was developed to ease out the traffic at the Calcutta port. Okay. Next you write international airports. International airports. First, Amritsar. In bracket write Rajashansi. Raja Sansi. Bracket close. I'll tell you what it is. Next is Delhi. In bracket write Indira Gandhi International. Next write Mumbai. In bracket write Chhatrapati Shivaji. Chhatrapati Shivaji. Next write Chennai. In bracket write Minambakam. Spelling is written over there, Minambakam. Next write Kolkata. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And the last is Hyderabad. In bracket write Rajiv Gandhi. Now please pay attention, children. I had told you all that till till iron and steel. No, till your nuclear and thermal power station, that how you are supposed to do. Okay, separate symbol you are going to use. Then for the cotton textile, you can mark all in one map. This is your number 11 map. Then you have got iron and steel plants. This again needs a separate map. So iron and steel plants, mark on a separate map. This is your number 12 map. After that, software technology park. Again, you're going to mark on a separate map. Use a political map for this, because you're going to, wherever you're going to use the states, children, there you're supposed to use a political map of India, because the states are clearly given. Okay, so for software technology parks, use a separate map, political map of India. This is your 13th map. Then you have got lifelines, which is your 14th map. In your lifelines, you're going to mark on one map all the ports, seaports. Start from Kandla and at Calcutta. Okay, and the international airport we are going to mark on another separate map. This again should be a political map of India. Now, in your examination, how it is asked, they don't ask Amritsar International Airport. What they write the name, that is Rajashansi Airport, and you have to recollect that they are asking Amritsar Airport. So wherever Amritsar you are writing, there you in bracket you write Rajashansi Airport. So altogether it comes to 15 maps. It can be 16 also, but 15 is minimum. That's it. Your next chapter, Santosh sir is going to take.